Hey guys, welcome to How Things Work with Pereda Growth. Today we're going to be talking about the stock market. The concept behind the stock market works pretty straightforward and you're sure to grasp it right away. The market is an ongoing cycle where people like you and I can invest money into companies such as Apple, Tesla, and even Facebook. As an investor, you receive what is called a share or shares. This is a percentage of the company that you own. And in return, the company can use the increased money to expand the operation and grow their business. If the company is performing strongly, then the share price increases. If the company is performing poorly, the share prices decrease. The stock market works through a network of exchanges, such as New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq, each with their own unique trading options. Companies list shares of their stocks on the exchange through a process called an IPO. So investors like you and I can purchase and sell them among other investors for personal gains. On the back end of things, the exchange also tracks the supply and demand for each of the listed stocks. The supply and demand helps determine the price for each of the shares. Overall, the stock market may seem intimidating at first, but once it's broken down into its simplest terms, it isn't that scary after all. Whether you're investing for long term or for another source of income, the stock market is a good place to start. So thank you for joining us for How Things Work with Pereda Growth. Remember to subscribe and drop a comment of what you would like to see next. And remember, at Pereda Growth, we don't fear the unknown, we face it.